We are here celebrating the North Etobicoke Santa Claus Parade. So this year our class was hired on as students to execute the parade in the event management program. It's been really interesting to take everything that we've learned and use them here with a real client. These are real situations, real events that come up. So it's been really interesting to take that education and put it into play. So it has been really fun. It's been a little stressful, but it has been a really rewarding experience so far.
Event management at Humber, we learn how to set up an event, prepare for it, execute it, and make sure everything is safe, especially for all the attendees attending this parade today. We learned about sponsorship, documentation, working with the North Etobicoke Santa Claus Committee to make this event come together. This is our event execution class. Everyone's great, open-minded, everyone is creative, and we all kind of bounce and vibe off of each other. We come out strong, and I'm really proud.
Colleges are very focused on hands-on education, the on-the-job training, the internships, the co-ops, to be adaptive to the demands of the workforce. We clearly see Humber College doing that on a number of fronts. I'm a former student of Humber College, and they really do great work, and they're a great educational institution. We see it here today at the North Etobicoke Santa Claus Parade. We see dozens of community groups coming together for a common goal. And it was a huge success this year. There was a huge success last year. It really shows the importance of coming together as a community.